Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is October 13th, 2025, and since Christmas is right around the corner, it's the perfect time to plan and publish your seasonal content. But I've noticed that many people still struggle to find the right keywords or topic ideas for their Pinterest-focused blogs or websites. So, in this short video, I'll show you a simple process to find unlimited keyword and topic ideas using Pinalysis tools. We'll take the example of Christmas nails design. Let's get started. First, go to Pinalysis.com and open the Top Pins tool. Now, type your seed keyword. Here, I'll search for Christmas nails design. Within a few seconds, you'll see all the top-ranking pins from the first page. From this list, we only need the pin URLs, so just click on the Copy URLs button. Next, go to the Pin Annotations tool. Paste the URLs you just copied into the Pinterest pin URLs box, and then click the Get Annotations button. Now wait a few seconds and you'll start seeing hundreds of topic ideas instantly. This is just a small sample, so stay with me for the next step where you'll discover thousands more. Now explore the keywords from your first result. Try to identify new angles or subtopics. For example, here we found the word acrylic. That could be our next target. Type acrylic in the search bar on the right side of the page. Once the results load, copy all the annotation page URLs that contain the word acrylic. Now, again, paste those new URLs into the Pinterest pin URLs box and hit Get Annotations one more time. And here's where the magic happens. You'll instantly see hundreds or even thousands of new keyword ideas. These keywords already have real search volume. You can confirm that by visiting those annotation pages. Now, manually go through them to filter out duplicates or similar intent keywords. Use your basic keyword research formulas to decide which ones fit your next blog posts. You can repeat this process again and again, each time finding fresh, untapped topics from Pinterest itself. And if you ever doubt whether something is a real keyword, just search it directly in Pinterest's search bar to verify. So that's how you can find unlimited keyword and topic ideas for your Pinterest-targeted website fast and completely free using Pinalysis tools. Try it out and start planning your Christmas content today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and check out more tutorials on Pinalysis.com.